Well, hello everyone. So today we are back with VM installation. This time we're installing Windows 8. Finally, something newer than Windows 7. We are getting there, and we are getting very close to the end of the Windows line. May wonder, but you still got 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and more to install, right? Yes, I'll do them. But for now, let's do this. So we're gonna make a new virtual machine. Oh, by the way, quick news update. I switched to VirtualBox like I guess a week ago, and I'm really loving it so far. It's very intuitive and it's very simple to use. Anyways, let's create a new virtual machine. We're gonna name it Windows 8, and it's gonna be the 64-bit version. And we are going to select an ISO image because you can do that now. We're gonna go to the downloads. Oh, and if you haven't noticed already, I've also switched to Windows 11. Skip unintended installation. And we're just gonna do that, finish, and I'm gonna move it here. I like to sort them in chronological order. See, Windows 1.0 is at the top and Windows 10 is at the bottom. So yeah, we're doing Windows 8. So let's start. Oh, and by the way, I have switched to a new screen recorder, OBS Studio. Very intuitive. But yeah. We're now gonna full screen it. Hopefully you can still see it. Yep, you can. Here's our Windows setup. It is capturing my mouse, and now it's time to set up. We're gonna do that and install now. Setup is starting. Enter a product key to activate Windows. You can also do that. But yeah, it's kind of a tricky thing, activating Windows. Because you don't have I don't have a product key button. You just have like privacy statement and next. Yeah, but there's tons of Windows 8 product keys on the internet. But since Windows 8 is like a modern version of Windows, they're all like basically fake, and it says 100% working product keys when they're really not working. So like you can like try different product keys. I don't think that's a real product key. And yeah, you do that. Like you can't skip this segment. There's no way to skip this segment. So the only way to so maybe we can come up with our own. Okay. We're gonna power off the machine and create a new one. Once again, we're gonna name it Windows 8. ISO image. We can do that. Username, TOWF. passwords. Win8. Doesn't really matter if I show it or not. Win8. Product key. Wait, can the product keys contain S's? I think so. It looks a little off, so yeah, that looks about right. That looks like a genuine product key. And copy that. And we're gonna paste it in the new Windows 11 notepad with multiple tabs. You can name it Windows, next, finish, and powering VM up. Let's put it above there first. Here we are. Setup is starting. Hopefully with the product key, it'll be pretty simple. Okay. Just gonna shrink down this window here. Okay, so basically, now we just enter the product key. Or product key. I don't think zeros belong in product keys. Oh no. Oh no. I accidentally typed the wrong character. Zeros or neither 0 or I is supposed to belong in a product key. I'm gonna try it anyways because it allows both of those characters. But the reason they're banned is because because to distinguish them, I's from ones and O's from zeros. So yeah, it's kind of a random roulette with this one, you know. And of course it says that product data didn't work. Like, why is there no option to skip this? You have to do it or cancel the installation. Microsoft is forcing you to do it. They do not like you pirating Windows 8. So, 1 second while I search for a working product key out of the thousands, and I mean hundreds of thousands of not working product keys. Alright, now thankfully I was able to get a working product key for this install, but really not necessarily for the actual activation of it. So yeah, we can get past that screen, but they should just add a I don't have a product key button, which maybe they did in 8.1. I'm not entirely sure, but yes, I'll just install Windows 8. Now it's just gonna copy the file. Look at the arrow interface, classic arrow buttons. Yeah, now it's copying the Windows files, and now just get the files ready for installation. And I'll see you in a bit. Now it's gonna restart. Getting devices ready. Getting ready. Alrighty. Now it's just loading up Windows 8. Look at that, a Metro loading animation. So modern, am I right? Ooh. Hi. While we're getting things ready, check out the new way to use Windows. After your PC is ready, move your mouse into any corner. Jeez, that's a big mouse cursor. Yeah, that's how you. Yeah, in case you didn't know, that's how you like open the charms menu. Let's start. Ah, what is this? No. Oh, this is why Windows 8 was a failure. Cape Town, South Africa. Very metro-y. I mean, this is a computer, not a freaking tablet. I mean, look at all these like live tiles. Like so many good features. And Windows 7 just got yanked from Windows 8. It's kind of a sad thing, but yeah. Recycle bin still has Windows 7 look, and you know what? The start menu is gone. You have to press the start button in order to get there, and that's not intuitive. It's not intuitive at all. Windows 8 build 9200. That's probably like I don't know. But yeah, anyways, and hey, you know, it's actually detecting my battery. It says 88% remaining over here. 87% remaining, but that's close. That's really, really close. But we can like do that. And there's the charms menu. We got the search, share, start, devices, and settings. And of course, Microsoft account. What a world we live in. Don't message that email, by the way. Please don't. No, seriously, please don't. But, yeah. Save. What happened? Password's incorrect. Desktop. I prefer the desktop. It just looks nicer. Like, yeah. But anyways, that is it, everyone. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time. How do I shut down? Help. But there's one EDTD problem before we go. I don't know how to shut down. I mean, I could just close this, but I don't want to force shut down. Internet Explorer. How to shut down Windows 8. Bottom right corner of the screen. I can't see it. Help. Help. Desktop. No. I can't escape this hell. Unless... well, I'm just gonna force shut it off. Anyways, yeah, bye.